अभी कुछ लगता ही नहीं है. अभी इतना काम कर लिया साथ में, ऐसे कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि सेट पे किसी को स्टार के साथ काम कर रहा है.
औरों में कहाँ दम था कि मेरे साथ इतनी फिल्में कर लेते.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अच्छा, हम लोग सही जा रहे हैं. तबू मैम, माई हार्ट स्किप्ड अ बीट. जब वो आपको ऊपर से अजय सर देख रहे हैं, आप गाड़ी से उतर रहे हो, ऐसे क्या होता है सेट पे जब ऑफ कोर्स एक ब्रेक के बाद आप दोनों मिलते हो एक दूसरे को, हाउ इज द वाइब लाइक, या क्या हो रहा होता है उस वक्त
इन द फिल्म और
रियल लाइफ?
रियल लाइफ में मैं बताता हूँ.
रियल लाइफ में बोल ही नहीं सकते
एक
because
सेकंड.
हाँ,
रियल लाइफ में जैसे ही शॉट पूरा होता है, आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है, ये हो गया यार, वो देख गर्मी कितनी है, ये देख ये हो गया, तो यही चलता है बस.
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती.
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता ही
झूठ
नहीं.
मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को.
ये बड़े सारे राज खुल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. जिमी सर,
मतलब तुझे पता होता है सबके बारे में.
जिमी सर, दिस वंस फॉर यू. जैसा मैंने कहा, कोई भी लव स्टोरी आपके बिना पूरी नहीं होती. जब ये फिल्म आई थी सर, क्या चल रहा था जहन में? यू कंप्लीट द थिंग, यू नो.
मैं हंस रहा था जब आपने ये बोला था कि कोई लव स्टोरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती, बट क्या बोलूं यार.
इफ यू नो वाला फंडा था यहाँ पे जी.
हाँ,
A man of few words. Give it up for Jimmy Paji, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, MM Cream Saab, thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. Thank you so much for being here. Working with this stellar cast, and of course, the director Saab here. How was it, collaborating with Neeraj sir, and what all was going on while you were working on the songs? Because whatever we just heard is out of the world.
First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for being here. Right from the days I was working with Bhatt Saab from Zakham days, where I had the privilege of working with Ajay ji. So, media used to ask me, why are you doing only for Bhatt Saab in Hindi? So, I used to correct them. So, please, change your question. Why are they giving me why only Bhatt Saab is giving me chances? So, after the interview was done, every time I used to ask myself a question. औरों में कहाँ दम था? तो आंसर मिल गया. In form of Neeraj Pandey. So it's working with Neeraj ji is like staying at home, because the place where I work here and Mumbai itself become a home away from home. Thank you, Neeraj ji, for believing in me constantly. And this film has been a very great journey for the past 2 years, and we enjoyed every moment of it. I hope you will enjoy the film too. Thank you.
But I must say, when Neeraj narrated me the script, it really touched me, it really moved me. And then, you know what sealed it was when Neeraj immediately narrated me this, made me hear the song.
Yeah. One song was recorded when we had met. So.
And it was just apt, and everything fell into place.
And it is beautiful, whatever we've just heard. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. Sai and Shantanu, this one's for you. You know, you're playing these wonderful characters on screen. If in real life you had to imbibe some quality or some values from these two stalwarts, you know, Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am, क्या होगा वो जो अपने अंदर लेना चाहेंगे? Sai?
I think for me, growing up, my father's favorite actor has always been Tabu ma'am, and he's told me this time and again since they worked in Astitva together. So I think her choreograph and her journey is so inspiring, and Ajay sir's versatility is so inspiring for any young actor. And I think, these two.
Shantanu?
Quite same, I would say. Tabu ma'am, obviously, her performances and her versatility as well. And with Ajay sir, I think sir ki choice of picking up stories and coming up with something new, and his dialogue delivery, obviously, which you said. So I think that, yeah.
Something else.
Yeah, it's something else.
औरों में कहाँ दम था?
It hits different, yeah.
Yes, it does. It does. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the cast of this amazing film, Auron Mein Kahan Dam Tha. I know we have a lot of questions, so we'll do the questions first and then a photo op, right? So, where are we getting the first question from? Ji, ma'am, please.
Hi, this is Priyanka from The Telegraph here. My question is actually for Ajay and Tabu both. I mean, there's so much made about the chemistry that the two of you share on screen. I just wanted to know that, do you remember your first day on set together, which I think was about 3 decades ago on Vijaypath. What was that like?
I honestly don't remember. You remember? No, we don't remember.
Okay.
I think it was the song. I think we were shooting in राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई कुद्रेमुख.
I remember the song, but I don't know if that was the first day.
Yeah, actually, even I don't.
But had you met, I mean, before making that film?
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
friends
we've
much
known each
before
other
that.
since much before that.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Hi. नीरज जी, आपने अपनी पहली फिल्म से ही बता दिया था कि आप बहुत लीक से हटकर बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बनाने वाले हैं, और उसके बाद लगातार आपने उस तरह की फिल्में बनाई भी. तो ये एक इतनी सेंसिटिव स्टोरी, लव स्टोरी, इसका ख्याल कैसे आया आपको? आपने धोनी में थोड़ा बहुत किया है, लेकिन आपका फोकस ज़्यादातर हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म्स और सीन्स में होता है.
मेरा मानना उसके लिए भी सेंसिटिविटी की ज़रूरत होती है, चाहे वो वेडनेसडे थी या बेबी थी, अलग तरह का पैशन है उसमें. बट आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ टू आंसर दैट वन. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी टेलिंग जॉब, आई गेस.
Hi, this is Bidisha from Shongbad Pratidin, Kolkata. My question is to Tabu. You have been in this business like more than 40 years, and you have done it like almost nearly 40 years, and you have done it so successfully. So, looking at your journey, what do you think how you made it and still continuing, and what's the most priceless thing you think you have achieved?
It's a very, very, very deep question. I think उसको answer करने के लिए बहुत बहुत वक्त लग जाएगा. But what I've got and what I cherish the most, I think, is the love and respect and appreciation that I've got from everybody all around the country, from all around the world. I think there is nothing that can equal that, and it's genuine love. That's what I treasure
And also,
most.
how would you describe your journey with your co-star Ajay Devgan? Something on that, please.
The journey is ongoing. It'll be a part of my life as long as I live, I think. So, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.